Good morning, CNG 124 online course. Let's see, for this week we are wrapping up in the course material. Um, I will be grading, let's see, I'm in Boston right now attending the Red Hat Summit. And I think this week we have no homework. We should have no new presentation. We do have a reflective discussion, and that kind of entails how it asks, how are you going to take what you've learned forward? Now that you've seen how the internet reacts, how DNS reacts, you have a basic idea how ISPs are working. How are you going to take this information as you move forward and start to apply this? Our only assignments for this week are the skills final and the final exam, um, which started yesterday. Let's see. The final exam is just, I believe, 45 questions, 2-hour time limit. And once again, the skills part, look at lab, I believe is 24, and that will be your skills review, kind of preparing you for this. And remember, there's only start this assignment when you're ready. Once again, the timer starts when you download that or access that file, download it. The timer will start. Um, for the document. Then you have 1 hour to submit it. Then you get access to Part B, and then you have 1 hour to work on them and then submit it. So kind of make sure you're ready to take those at the time you're ready to take those, to make sure you abide by those time limits. I don't want you to check it out, um, work on it, and then miss the submission time. Because that will hamper your grade. Besides that, that is all the work we do for this week. Um, Everything is due, I believe they're due the 13th. Yeah, the 13th, 11:59, so that's Monday. Um, I don't have a due date on the skills part B. I should probably put that in there. Um, but that's really it for this course. Make sure you have all your assignments turned in from any further week. Um, get those worked on. And I believe there's no other assignments um, to do for that. Uh, Let me put that the 13th. If you have any questions, be sure to reach me back early. I'll be traveling back to Denver Friday. I should get there Friday night, um, but during that day, I'll probably won't be able to respond or anything like that because I'll be at the airport waiting for my flight, and then once I get back to Denver, um, retrieve my baggage, retrieve my baggage, and get it, then getting my car. Um, so probably if you do send me a message Friday, I probably won't get to it again until Saturday. But once again, good work. Only work on these finals and preparing yourself for those finals. In the physical class, I do tell students to um, create a one-page cheat sheet, and while they're creating that one-page cheat sheet, they're actually reviewing for the final again. Um, Once again, preparing themselves for the skills final and the final exam. So that's another way to rehearse for these. I would encourage you to make a cheat sheet. Um, Once again, that's just kind of going over what you remember out of this course and then applying it to the skills final and final. And that'll help you do a little bit better on those. If you have any questions, reach out. Once again, I will do my best to answer you in a timely fashion, but I will not be at my desk this week. Um, I'm in Boston, so I'll do my best to check my emails sometime during lunch, and then again later in the evening. But yeah, good luck this week, and remember, study, study, study. Even though it's a free week, make sure you're reviewing for um, these finals because they are an application of everything.